Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Vivian and today I will teach you how to make lemon curd. Get ready, let's start. This lemon curd recipe is rich, creamy, smooth curd. It's perfect for topping or filling cakes, pie, tarts, and used for many other desserts. First, zest 2 lemons. Make sure to get the zest before squeezing out the juice. In a saucepan, add 3 large eggs, then add 150 ml fresh lemon juice, 150 grams caster sugar, and 225 grams cold butter, and set it aside. In a separate small bowl, half a teaspoon of gelatin powder and add 2 tablespoons of cold water. Mix the gelatin and water well and let the gelatin bloom and set it aside for later use. I use the whisk to stir the mixture. On the stove, stir the heat to medium-high heat. Stir the mixture continuously until it looks opaque or cloudy. It will take about 2-3 minutes. Turn the heat off and add gelatin. Use the gelatin as the option. This lemon curd I use for cake filling, so the gelatin helps the mixture stay inside the cake for not too runny. Now I add the lemon zest. And add the butter. I use handheld blender, but you can use food processor to smooth the butter out, or you can use elbow grease with a whisk. And that's it. It's very quick and easy, hey? I believe this lemon curd recipe is the best homemade and it's absolutely worth the effort. You can store it in the fridge up to 3 weeks and enjoy it. It's lovely for cakes, eclair, or so much more. These are my signature strawberry cakes and lemon curd filling. Hey, let me know if you try this recipe. Thank you and see you next time.